O'Brien Hall. Look at this. There's the original call station, and then there's the old ADA compliant one.
Wait, you pushed that one.
Yeah, this is the original call station.
There's a new version of Windows 5. Because Outlook Plus said
That's so weird.
which is
I wonder if this has a little USB thing underneath the Dover one. It doesn't. Wow. Dover Blackwood. Ooh. Nice. You can wait in here. Yeah, look at that. That's so weird. Library. Going down?
yeah.
What floor?
2.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. You going down?
Right here.
What floor are you going to?
That's perfect. You okay? Down to the ground floor. Next floor.
Second?
Yeah.
Cool.
Unpacking's gonna be fun. The elevator.
What's that?
Unpacking the elevators.
Oh, yeah. Well, fortunately, I'm getting off right now, I think.
Yeah.
So you make it easier.
We all are.
Okay. Hey, guys.
We're actually gonna go down to 1. That's where that class is. This thing has a nice motor, but we can't really hear it over that fan. That's okay though. Cool find. Alright, we'll end it down here. Look at that drinking cup.